Hi, let's solve a new problem. 9 power of n minus 3 power of n equal 72. Here 9 equal, we can write that 3 power of 2. So 9 power of n equal 3 power of 2 power of n equal 3 power of 2 times n, which is 2n. We are using here law of indices power rule. A power of m power of n equal a power of m times n. So now if you rewrite this equation changes to 3 power of 2n minus 3 power of n equal 72. So we transform to different base into a single base. Let we assume x equal 3 power of n. Then 3 power of 2n, we can write that 3 power of 2n equal 3 power of n power of 2, which is equal x power of 2. So we can write that x power of 2 minus x equal 72. Now we no longer have an exponential equation, so it becomes a quadratic equation, which is x squared minus x minus 72 equal 0. Here we need two numbers whose product is minus 72 and sum equal minus 1. Minus 72, if you factorize, we got two numbers 9 and 8. We need sum negative 1. That means if we take minus 9, positive 8, these two numbers, and their sum will be minus 9 plus 8 equal minus 1. So we can write that this quadratic equation x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 72 equal 0. Now we take the common factor x. If you take common these two terms, so x minus 9 plus 8 if you take common, so x minus 9 equals 0. Now this factor x minus 9 and x minus 9 if you take common, so you're getting x minus 9, x plus 8 equal 0. Now we use the zero product property, so either x minus 9 equals 0 or x plus 8 equal 0. We add negative 8 both side, this one cancel, so x equal negative 8, and if you adding positive 9 both side, this one cancel, we are getting x equal 9. Now here one thing, x equal minus 8 is impossible, because if you recall that we assume x equal 3 power of n, and this is an exponential expression, always positive. So we can say that 3 power of n always positive for every real n. So we can say that x equal minus 8 is impossible. So we got only one solution, which is x equal 9 work. Now we have to solve for n. So We can say that 3 power of n equal 9. And 9 we can write that 3 power of 2. If the base are equal, so the power must be equal. So we can say that n equal 2. That's our final answer. To check this equation true or not, so if we substitute n equal 2 in the given equation, which we got 9 power of 2 minus 3 power of 2 equal 72. 9 power of 2 means 81 minus 9 equal 72. So 81 minus 9, which is 72, equal 72. So that means n equal to our final answer. That's it. Whenever you see this type of equation, you think we have to make changes, some substitution, and then we convert them into quadratic equation. I'll giving you one more problem. You can try as a homework and tell me the answer below the comment section. 16 power of n minus 4 power of n equal 240. Find n. That's it. Thank you so much.